the biggest night of television, यानी कि Chevrolet Upstar Awards, powered by Micromax Mobile की सितारों भरी मैजिकल शाम बस कुछ ही देर में शुरू होने वाली है।
The next award is the Chevrolet Apsara Award for the Best Actress in a Leading Role, powered by Micromax Mobile. और स्टेज पर यह अवार्ड देने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा शाहरुख खान को।
Good evening once again. I take this occasion to thank Chevrolet Apsara Producer Guild Award and all the people who've been involved with it. They set it up. Mr. Ramesh Sippy, of course, Mr. Mukesh Bhatt, Ronnie Screwwala, Karan Johar, and all the other producers who have gotten together and created this award. Started as a small, warm thing some years back, and then we all have been involved in it, myself also as a small-time producer. So I thank all the producers in the Guild for creating this kind of a platform where actors, actresses, and all the talent in the film industry is respected and honored every year. So thank you so much. And nominees for the Best Actress for tonight.
The nominees for Chevrolet Upstar Awards for Best Actress in a Leading Role are Anushka Sharma, Band Baja Barat.
तुम्हारा बिस्ली नशत थी वो तोड़ दूंगी तेरा।
Kajol, My Name is Khan.
ये जो बानविल है ना, यहाँ पे 30,000 लोग रहते हैं और ये 30,000 लोग तुमसे नफरत करते हैं। They hate you. तुम लोगों ने पालने का डिसीजन नहीं लिया होता तो आज ये साले सबके सब किसी फुटपाथ पे सड़ रहे होते।
Kareena Kapoor, Golmaal 3.
माँ बाप नहीं होते हुए भी आप लोगों ने इतना कुछ किया, इतने सैक्रिफाइसेस किए। अभी जाके बता दो ना कि सबके सब अनाथ है तो सालों की फट जाए। अब जो भी होगा मेरी मर्जी के मुताबिक होगा।
Vidya Balan, Ishqiya.
तेरी हरामजादगी का अंदाजा तो मुझे था। आप समझदार लगते थे मुझे, पर एक नंबर के चूतियम सल्फेट निकले।
You don't owe me anything, Mr. Mascarenas.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Guzarish.
आधे घंटे में आपका सूप और उसके साथ आपके फेवरेट गार्लिक ब्रेड स्टिक्स आ जाएंगे। पर अगर स्पीच आपको किसी और चीज की जरूरत हो तो I'm just a whistle away.
And the winner of Chevrolet Apsara Producers Guild Award, powered by Micromax, in a leading role, the Best Actress tonight is goes to Vidya Balan for Ishqiya.
दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
And Anushka Sharma for Band Baja Barat. We have only one trophy, so one of you gets the trophy, the other gets me. Take the trophy away, young lady.
I'm holding his hand already. I got the other side.
But God bless you both. I think, mashallah, it's really, really nice when talent like Vidya's and Anushka gets recognized like this. And I wish you all the best. And both of you are extremely, extremely deserving of this award. So when I give this award to you, both of you, one of you kiss me on the right cheek. मैं अपना काम तो कर लूं. And you kiss me on the left cheek, okay? So this one's for Vidya. Wait, I want it together. And this one's for Anushka.
I can't wait.
Come on, girls.
Okay, I can't wait so far. I'll kiss another time.
Congratulations. God bless.
Thank you. आज कुछ भी मांग लेती तो शायद मिल जाता. Really, I don't know what to thank God for. The fact that I'm here up on stage the second time to receive the Best Actress on the same night. Thank you, God. Really. Thank you, Apsara Producers Guild. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to take the award from my heartthrob, Shah Rukh Khan. And to be sharing it with an actress I really enjoy watching on screen. Congratulations, Anushka. Thank you all so much for all the love. I hope I always enjoy your blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Apsara. Thank you, Producers Guild. This is the first time I've ever come on stage to receive a trophy. And it is for the best actress. I cannot even express what I feel right now, because to get an award like this so early on in your career, I've just done 3 films. Nothing can be more encouraging than this. Thank you, Yashji, for changing my life and giving a whole new dimension to me. I have to thank my parents and my brother. And to receive this award from Shah Rukh Khan, thank you for making it extra special. You were my first hero, and to get this from you is... And I wish you're my last hero too. Thank you so much, Shah Rukh. Thank you.